Hello guys, welcome to Tech Bloom. So today we are going to see how to do matrix calculation on this calculator. We will also see how to find the determinant and transpose using this calculator. So I am using here Casio FX991EX calculator. So to start, press on here. Next, we want a matrix to be entered, so I'll press menu, go to menu, go to right. You'll see the fourth option, press 4. Then you have to define a matrix A, matrix B, matrix C and D. For matrix A I'll press 1, for matrix B I'll press 2. So first I want matrix A to be entered or to be defined, so I'll press 1 here. So number of rows, I want 3 rows, and number of columns, 3 columns. So I got 3 cross 3 matrix here. So now I will enter a value. First I'll enter 1, then you have to save, you have to press equal to, then 8, any random value I am taking, 8, then 3, then 4, then minus 66, then 101, then 78, then 63, then equal to, and then 5. So I have defined my matrix. So if I want to save that, I'll press this AC. You'll see matrix here. So if I want a determinant or a transpose of that, for that I'll press this option here. So if you want a determinant or a transpose of the matrix A, which is just now I have defined, so press this button to go down. You will see determinant, transpose and identity. To find the determinant of that matrix A, I'll press 2 here because 2 is the option here. So I'll press 2, then determinant will come. Now I want a matrix A. So again go to that option button. Already matrix A is here, which I have defined. For that I'll press 3 because 3 is the option here. So 3, close the bracket and press equal to. I'll get the determinant of that matrix, that is 72371. Next, if I want to erase, I'll press AC again. So now I want a matrix multiplication. For that I'll go to option. I have already defined a matrix A. If I want to change that matrix A, then I have to go to define a matrix. So for that I'll press 1. You can see matrix A to B, press 2. So I have already defined a matrix A, so I'll not insert that matrix again here. I'll define a matrix B for multiplication. So I'll define matrix B, so I'll press 2. You can take any matrix, that is C or D. So again I have to take 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 rows, then 3 columns. If you want 4 rows or 4 columns, just press 4. Maximum here you can multiply is 4, 4. So now I have defined 3, 3 matrix here again. I'll put any random value, that is 4, then 6, then 3, then 7, then minus 7, then 78, then 79. Press equal to save those matrix, then 63 equal to. If you want to change the 63 just now, and if I want to change that value, then I'll press this to go back, that is this. I'll come back to 63. If I want to change that value to 12, I'll put 12 and press equal to, then this matrix will change to 12. Then I'll put my last value, that is 68. then equal to save this matrix B, I'll press AC. So my matrix B is saved in this calculator. So now next if you want to do a matrix multiplication, then go to this option. So first define a matrix. So matrix A I have already defined. If you want to edit the matrix, then you can see here option is there, edit a matrix, that is I'll press 2 here. Then if you want to edit a matrix, that is matrix A or matrix B, just press 1. You will get a predefined matrix already which you have entered here. So by going like this, you can change a matrix. For timing, I don't want to change any value, so I'll press AC here. Again go to option. So if I want to multiply matrix A into matrix B, then for that I'll press 3 here. Matrix A will come, multiply, again go to option. For matrix B with A, again press 4. Then matrix A into matrix B, you can see, press equal to, you will get a matrix multiplication, that is answer of matrix A into matrix B. Again if you want to, this is the matrix of multiply matrix. So you can see here, if you want to add, so go to option, press 3, A plus, again go to option, B. For B I have to press 4. So A plus B, press equal to, this is the addition of the matrix. You can see here. Now if you want a subtraction operation to be performed, go to this option. I'll press A minus matrix A minus matrix B. If you want to perform, then I have already defined a matrix A, that is 3 minus matrix B. So for that again go to option, 4, you'll see 4. So matrix A minus matrix B, press equal to, I'll get a value here, you can see. Here you can see the value. So these are my values. So that's all my friends. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.